beyond what a man can say, beyond what a man can do. He's hearing the whispers of your heart. He's aware that your landlord is threatening. He's aware that doctor says something about you that you don't like. He's even aware of the one that you are not aware of. And he said, even if a mother will forget a suckling infant, he said, I will never leave you, nor forsake you. But it's one thing for somebody to say, I will never leave you, who does not have capacity. But when someone who has capacity said, I will never leave you nor forsake you, it's a statement to take beyond the bank. No organization, no individuals, no government has influenced the world more than the church. And how was the church bettered? It was some illiterate teenagers. Because apart from the Apostle Peter, the rest of the disciples were teenagers. And they were illiterate. Sons of nobody. Just 11 of them, because by then Judah Iscariot has fallen away. Jesus gathered them and said, this gospel, you will not only preach it in Jerusalem, you will preach it in Judea. He said, even though you don't like Samaria, you will take this gospel to Samaria and to the uttermost part of the earth. He was talking when there was no telephone, when there was no internet, and he was speaking to sons of nobody who were not learned enough. But because of the power behind that fellowship, we are gathered here this morning.